Hello, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you out there, wherever you are in the world right now. This is Samuel Langekan. Welcome you to Edisam Online Academy. In this further mathematics, additional mathematics lesson, we'll be looking at logarithm. This is part 3 of our logarithm lesson. So in our previous lesson, we look at how to convert from the index form to the logarithmic form. In this lesson, we will be doing the reverse, converting from the logarithmic form to the index form. But before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you've not yet subscribed, and like the video, and also share with your friends, share with your loved ones, share to those you know it's going to be beneficial to. In this lesson, I've really taken out time to break down how to convert from the logarithmic form to the index form. In case you missed our previous lesson, please make sure you go over the previous lesson process for a better understanding. And you can find the link in the description section to the previous lesson. So as we continue, I know you're going to actually have a good time. Thank you. Okay. Hello and welcome to this mathematics lesson. This is actually at the level of additional mathematics or further mathematics. So once you can understand it at further mathematics level, so the ordinary mathematics won't pose a problem to you. So we are continuing on our series on logarithm. In the previous lesson, we looked at how we could convert from the index form to the logarithmic form. So in this lesson, we're going to do the reverse, how to convert from the logarithmic form to the index form. So we're going to take some examples. So the first example we're looking at is log 32 to base 5 is equals to 5. We're going to convert it to the index form. So identify what's your base. Your base here is 2. Your base is what? 2. So we're looking for log 32. The answer is equals to 5. So what are we going to do? Is that at the end of the day, it's just like it's not really, I will not call it cross multiplying. When you have equation, let's assume you have 32 over 2 equals to 5. And you want to make 32 the answer. What are you going to do? You say, let's cross multiply. 2 will go here and multiply with 5. Then 32 will be left alone. But in this case now, we'll assume that 2 will go here and carry the 5. The base, this is the base here. It's still going to be the base in the index form. So the base, which in the logarithmic form, will still be the base in the index form. So that base, which is actually 2 here, is going to move over and raise up this 5. So you're going to have 2 raised to power 5. On your left hand side, the 2 has moved, shifted to the right hand side. So you are going to be left with 32. So in the index form, you have 32 is equals to 2 raised to power 5. In the index form, you have 32 is equals to 2 raised to power 5. Is it understood?
Yes.
It's actually understood.
Yes, it's understood.
Okay?
It is. You can move on.
Okay.
Right answer.
So you have 32 is equals to 2 raised to power 5. Okay? So it's very easy. Identify the base. Then the base will move over and carry what the number that is left alone, which in this case is 5. the base 2 becomes the base when you're converting to your index. So it will raise this to 5. 2 raised to the power 5. 32 is left alone. So you have 32 is equal to 2 raised to the power 5. That is the index form. Okay? So you have 32 okay. So we take another example. Example 2. For example 2, we have that log 0.001 to base 10 is equals to minus 3. So identify your index. What is your index? Your index is, sorry, not your index. Identify your base. Your base is 10.
Identify your base.
So your base in the logarithmic form is 10. So the base in the logarithmic form will also be the base in the index form. So your base will shift to where you have the number standing alone and raise it up. This becomes the index. So you have this shifts over here and becomes the base in the index form. So this will become the index now. It will carry up that minus 3. That becomes the index. So you have 10 raised to minus 3. This 0.001 will stand on its own. So you have 0.001 equals to 10 raised to power minus 3. So even if this minus 3 is on this side and log 0.001 base 10 is on this side, you still do it in the same pattern. You still follow the same procedure to arrive at the answer. Okay, so let me solve one in which the log is actually on this side and this one is going to be on the left hand side.
The number standing alone is on the left hand side, while the log is on the right hand side.
So you have log 0.125 to base half equals to 3. Okay, I said I'm going to make, so I'm going to write that 3 equals to log 0.125 base half. So just like before I said, always try to identify the base. The base is in the logarithmic form is your half. So you are looking for the log of 0.125 to base half equals to 3. So the base which is half will come and to this side where you have the number that is standing alone and raise it up. This will become the index. This is going to become the index. So you have half raised to power, let's put in bracket, half raised to power 3 equals to, this will now stand alone, 0.125. It's as easy as that. So right now, I will just give you some exercises to practice on your own. Okay. So right now, if you have log 256 log 256 to base 4 equals to 4. This is 1 and 2. If you have 16 equals to log 2, sorry, log 256 base 2. Log 256 base 2. So at this point, just make sure you solve this and try some other ones, some other exercises, maybe from the textbooks or from the web. If you have any question, just contact me via the social media platforms, and please subscribe to the video and like the video. Click on the bell icon so that you always be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much for joining us today on our lesson, which has to do with converting from the logarithmic form to the index form. So if you have any question, if you have any question, you can actually either drop your question in the comment section, or you can connect with me via WhatsApp on +234 8038 295185. I'm going to drop my Instagram account in the description section. My Instagram account is actually Edisam for real. I'm going to drop it in the description section. So if you need any lesson, one-on-one lesson, you can contact me via my WhatsApp, and I'll be delighted to give you the one-on-one lesson. So no matter the exam you're preparing for, you can actually use this lesson to prepare for it. So like I said at the beginning, if you not yet subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you will always be notified whenever I upload a new lesson, a new video. Also like this video and share with others, and you can drop your comments in case you have areas where you feel we can improve. Drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining us today. God bless you. God bless you. So God bless you mightily. You can join us. Watch out for our next lesson on logarithm. Thank you so much. God bless you, and bye.